Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing for beginners step by step. All right, so with that being said, if you haven't yet smashed that subscribe button, make sure you do that right now if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos right here on the channel, you get them automatically. All right, so let's get right into the content. Now, let me actually pull up my my pad over here. All right, so this is what we're going to talk about, because affiliate marketing is when you sell someone else's product for a percentage of the earnings. So that means that you don't have to set up any sales copy. You don't have to worry about a merchant. You don't have to worry about any other things that vendors go through when they create products. Okay, so it does make it easy for you. But there are a lot of people that are saying that it's completely easy. Okay, it's simple, right? It's very simple once you learn it, but I'm not going to say that it's easy. And here's why. All right, so you have to have a niche. As you can see, that's right here. Okay, what is a niche? It's something you're going to go into that you're actually passionate about. Why do you have to be passionate about it? Well, if you're going to be doing this long term and you plan to stay consistent, you got to make sure you're going into something that you're going to be able to, I would say that you're an expert in, right? Because if you're an expert and you're good at something in a particular niche, then that makes it easier for you. Okay, so these three niches right here make you a lot of money, plain and simple. But that may not be your niche, so you don't have to go into these, because I don't want you to go into something and you're just doing it for the money because those niches make a lot of money. If you want to get in it and learn it, do that. You know what I'm saying? If you want to learn those, get in health, wealth, and relationships, and you know, and like enlighten yourself on some of the information, do that and dominate the niche. But if you're not going to be passionate about it, don't waste your time going in those niches. Stick to what you know how to do. Okay? All right. So this is the key to affiliate marketing. You have to create content that solves people's problems. So you have to lead with value first over here. That value is going to create the sales for you. Okay? Why? When people watch a video, let's just take this for example. When you watch my video, you're looking for me to help you out, right? And just let me know in the comments. You're looking for me to help you out. You're not really looking to be sold, because people don't like to be sold. But if I provide enough value to you, and I lead with so much value and you love it, and that's all I ever do, I lead with value, but I give you the opportunity in a description. If you want to pick up a tool that's going to help you with your business, you're going to be more you're going to feel more compelled to get that tool, because I showed you how to dominate with that tool, if that makes sense. All right, so you have to create the content to solve the problem. That's the biggest thing. That's how you make sales. Right? Now, let me just kind of give you an example. So let's say, for instance, I'm selling a Facebook tool that allows me to automate a lot of stuff. So it allows me to add friends. It allows me to automate, create automated messages. It allows me to automate my likes, right? It just saves me a lot of time. What am I going to create content around? Well, I'm going to just make this easy. You're going to create content around Facebook marketing. Okay, everything you can think about Facebook. Literally, what I would do is this, right? I would go on YouTube, and I highly recommend that you use YouTube when it comes to affiliate marketing. I know some of you may not really enjoy, you don't like really being on the camera, you're shy or whatever, but I'm just going to tell you this, and this is just some tough love. If you don't plan on adapting, then you're not going to make the money you want. You're not going to create the life that you deserve, which is what I talked about in my intro when I first came on this video. You got to be willing to say, hey, I'm going to do videos. I see all the people who are making all the money doing videos. Why am I not doing videos? Do it. I'm telling you, the moment that you do it and you stay consistent, you say every single day, I'm going to do this without no fail. No ifs, no ands, no buts. Do it. Okay? And I'm going to be here to teach you. Okay, I actually have a free course on exactly the method I use to grow my YouTube channel, and I'm still using that same exact method still to today. All right, so what I would do is I would type Facebook in, right? And what I would do after that, I would hit space and I would hit underscore. Right? No, let me reverse that. Facebook marketing underscore. Now, what did that do? Facebook marketing 2018, Facebook marketing tutorial, Facebook marketing for business, Facebook marketing strategy, right? So what I would do at this point is I would say, okay, let's go look for some content based around Facebook. I would literally watch these people's videos, not all of them, right? But I would watch ones that look interesting to me. I would then recreate my own content based around that. Start putting the content out and keep staying in that niche so I can dominate that niche. So when people come to search for Facebook marketing or Facebook organic marketing or whatever, they're going to see my content. They're going to see me presenting a product while showing them how to use that product and dominate. Now they're going to be willing to spend money with me because they see me so much and I'm still staying consistent. Once they find my channel, now they're like, oh, well, I like what this guy's doing. They subscribe, and now they're constantly seeing me over and over and over again, providing value, and now they're going to be feeling more compelled to get what I recommend. You see what I mean? So it's all about building a community of people who know, like, and trust you. That's how you dominate affiliate marketing, right? That's really how you dominate any business. But I just want to guide you in the right direction. All right. So along that process, you're going to have to build an email list. OK, and this right here is a software I use. I've been using it for years. I actually have multiple email lists. This is actually one of my lower ones. On this one, I only have about 200 people, but these 200 people are responsive. And where do you think I built this list? Right here on Facebook. I mean, I said Facebook. Right here on YouTube. Right? And then they are already seeing videos of me. So I built that relationship. They opted into my email list. And now when I send an email out, they're more apt to open my email. Right? So what do you do when you have a software like this? Because what this does is it automatically sends emails out to people who opt into a capture page. Now, a capture page will look something like this. So you see this? Get access to my free video ranking cheat sheet and the proven method to rank your videos to the first page of YouTube. So if somebody wants to learn about YouTube, they can literally come to this, put their email in, show me the video, and I put together a free mini course on exactly the strategies I use to grow my YouTube channel. Now I just provided value to them for absolutely free. I don't charge for this. So once they go through that, then now they're like, oh, I really got some value from that. Now, what are they going to do? They're going to continue to come back to my channel because I've given them something away for free and value. That's what I mean when I say value, leading with something, giving something away. Because when, the more you do that, whether it's through giving somebody like a free course or is giving them multiple videos every single day, value, they're going to be willing to spend money with you. Plain and simple. Okay, so with this, what you're doing is you're building a relationship, because once they opt into your email list or like something like this, once they put their email in, boom, my software is going to send them an automated email, and it's going to build a relationship with them over time, and it's called an autoresponder. So if I click on email marketing right here and I click on autoresponder, then I'll pretty much show you how it works. If my computer decides to load. All right, so here we go. This is one that I'm working on right now. It's a 10-day email sequence, and I put it together, and basically this is video 1 of 10. Okay, so let's say, for instance, this was the email sequence for this. It's not, but let's just say it was. As soon as they put their email in, they're going to get this email right here sent directly to their email, and I don't have to touch anything for it to do that. That's what this software does. Now, the next day, they're going to receive another email at the same time that they signed up the day prior. and then so on and so on and so on and so on. 10 days out, they're going to be receiving email at least one time per day over the next 10 days. And this, what I'm doing in these emails is I'm educating them, and I'm giving them the opportunity to get started in whatever it is that I'm promoting, right? So educate first, right? Maybe I should show you guys the email, just kind of see what I'm doing. All right, so if I hit preview, you see, so what is the this in the title that will increase your net worth? No, it's not a magic pill. No, it's not a get rich quick scheme. No, it's not some big hairy idea. A wise man once said, knowledge is the new money. Get you some. And then what I do is I educate them and let them know what to expect over the next 10 days, right? So it's letting them know, educating them, and then presenting the opportunity. They don't have to click it, but just leave it there. So give them an in and give them an out. They can decide, hey, I want to click the link or I don't want to click the link, and then they're going to get the next email the next day, right? That's what this software allows you to do. It automates your business, because people have signed up in the past by literally going through a page like this from me, entering their email, watching the video on the next page, and then clicking the buy button, all because I've sent them emails consistently, and they see that, and now they're like, oh, okay. He's educating me. He's leading with value. I'm ready to buy, right? He's provided me enough education and enough information for me to get started. See, you gotta build a relationship. People don't always buy as soon as they go through your link. No, it doesn't happen that way. And don't ever believe anybody that says that it does. All right. So that's that. And this is what the capture page looks like. So let me go ahead and close that out. But guys, if you don't remember anything else from this video, create content to solve the problem. You could do this on Facebook Live. You could do this on YouTube. You could do this on YouTube Live. You could do this. My recommended way is video. Okay? Some people do it through Facebook posts and they do it through Bing, whatever they do. But I believe in creating content to solve the problem. That's what's worked for me over the last 4 years that I've been in business, and that's what I recommend to anybody, because I believe in showing people what works. Okay? What works. If it doesn't work, I'm not going to show you guys. All right? So, with that being said, guys, I hope that you have a clear vision of how this whole affiliate marketing thing works, and I really hope you got some value from this. But before I get out of here, let me just give you a visual, right? I showed you guys how it works, but let me just give you a visual of it so you can understand it. Okay, number one thing is to get a niche. Get that niche that you're passionate about. Boom, let's get a quick arrow. Now you got your niche, then you're gonna do a P, that's your product. All right, and boom, over here, create content based around this. Right? So remember, I gave the Facebook tool as an example. So create Facebook or marketing or Facebook organic marketing or whatever, since it's a Facebook product. So whatever your product is, create that valuable content. And now, guess what? I'm just going to draw a square, right? That'll be my little dollar bill. That's how you're going to make the money, by solving whatever problem that they have, guys. That is how you do it. I promise you, if you do that, and you continue watching me, because I'm going to keep giving you guys content. I promise. I'm going to keep giving you guys content. I'm going to give you practical things to actually do so you can go out there and do and get results from it. All right? So with that being said, I hope you got value, and I hope you understand how to start affiliate marketing, for beginners, step by step. All right? So with that being said, hope you got some value. If you did, give me a like. Also, smash that subscribe button, tick that bell icon if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.